Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the latest Grow a Garden event, which is the Christmas tree event. Basically, you will need to claim your Christmas tree seed. Claim it here. I already did, and you can only claim it once, so make sure you claim it here on the wood stool. I don't know. Basically, you will need to water your plants using the Wonder Water water watering can. So you will need to submit Christmas mutated plants to get the Wonder Water. And basically, you will need to go to your garden. I'm just going to plant it right here. And you will need to use your Wonder Water, as you can see. I'll do it again. And you will need to make it grow. Now it's going to grow very slowly over the course of days. And basically, here, if you go to view rewards, right now my Christmas tree weighs 5.24 kilograms. And if I want the heaviest rewards, I'll need to have it over, I guess, 61 kilos. I don't know. Yeah, after 61 kilos, and then it says every 4 kilos after 61, you'll get these items, and you'll only be able to actually harvest it at the 27th December. Sorry. It says here what's going on. It says, I'm Larry the Lumberjack. Claim a Christmas tree seed to get started. Grow the Christmas tree with Wonder watering cans. The heavier the Christmas tree, the better the rewards. The tree can only be collected after a specific time, 10 a.m. PST on December 27th. So you're just going to essentially, use the watering can to just grow your tree, and that's pretty much it really. You do need to submit plans because I think you are only able to do so with the Wonder Water. Why is that so hard to say? As you can see, my tree grew to 6 kilograms, as you can see here. If you go back to the event section, you are able to claim a reward for that. So go to view rewards, and then as you can see, I can claim the Christmas stocking, and I'm just going to select claim. Anyways, I hope you understood that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!